lesson on stick welding. Cover.
Hey guys, a couple of things I'd like to mention real quick. First off, understand that stick welding is very dangerous. You know, there's toxic fumes, potential eye damage, hot metal, you know, stuff that could cause you harm. So please make sure you know what you're doing before you start. And second off, know that the methods used in this video for welding are not the methods for welding. You know, there's different variations. You can use different rods, you can use different movement patterns, you can strike an arc differently. These are just the methods we're going to be using on this channel. So with that said, let's start into it. First and foremost rule of welding is safety. That includes having proper safety equipment. First off, the helmet, welding gloves, and if you want to protect your clothes and bare skin, you throw on coveralls. And that's the extent of the safety equipment for welding. So this is your ground clamp. You're going to put it on the work, like so, and that's going to make it so that you can weld. Next you need to set your settings. This will depend on how deep you want the weld to go and how thick the material is you're going to weld. Okay, so this is a 60-13 rod. This is what we're going to be using to weld. So you're going to clamp the rod in the stinger, like that, and then you're ready to weld. So, once you're all set up and you've actually got the welder on, I don't, but you're going to take your stinger, and when you're ready to strike an arc, you're going to lightly tap, and that's going to strike an arc. You got to keep the tip of your rod close enough to keep that arc going, and you kind of move in circular motions as you go along. Cover.
Okay, cover. That was bad.
This next segment was recorded using a sophisticated system of duct tape and a welding lens over our camera. It's a little bit difficult to see, so look closely and bear with us here. Our whole goal in recording this segment was to show some of the previously mentioned techniques in action. If you look closely, you'll notice the circling motions as he's moving along the line that he's welding, and also that he's slowly feeding the rod into the molten puddle of metal. It's all about maintaining that right arc length. Another couple things to mention as to safety really quick. First off, remember that welds are really hot even after you welded them, so if you plan on touching them anytime soon, make sure to cool them down with water. The other thing is to remember to have plenty of ventilation while welding. We actually forgot this step and flooded the shop with fumes and smoke. So yeah, don't skip that step. And that's the basics of stick welding. This is only scratching the surface. There's far more that you can learn, but this is enough to get you started. So good luck and have fun.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe.